Hello everybody. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder bug. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder bug, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about the application of Tinder. When you find this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because it may make problems on your application. And then you can go to your airplane mode, you can wait a moment and you can turn off your airplane again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.